Define probability distribution. This is the possible values of the random variable and corresponding probabilities. The form these can come in is a table, a graph, or a mathematical formula. So let's look at an example. Suppose we ask a basketball player to shoot 3 free throws. Let the random variable x represent the number of shots made. So x equals 0, 1, 2, or 3. Just like what we did above, the three free throws are discrete. The table below shows a probability distribution for the random variable x. What does the notation P of A represent? This means the probability that the random variable x equals A. Another way to write this is the probability that x is equal to A. And I will most likely be using this more often than this notation, just because I prefer it, and to me, it tells you a little bit more of what's going on. So what does the probability of x equaling 3 equaling 0.51 represent? This represents the probability that the random variable x equals 3 is 0.51. And over here on the right, this is your probability distribution. We can take it one step farther and call it discrete probability distribution, which we just defined up here. So very similar to chapter 5, the rules for discrete probability are all probabilities added together equal 1, and all probabilities are between or equal to 0 and 1. So let's figure out which one of these, A, B, or C, is a discrete probability distribution. So A is not a discrete probability distribution. They add up to 0.97. So they do not add up to 1, so that does not satisfy the above requirements. B, number 5, is less than 0. So this is not a probability distribution. And C, they add up to 1, and each value is between 0 and 1. So this is a discrete probability distribution.